Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. Check out this beautiful old Chevy C10 I picked up. This thing was at the flea market in Tennessee that I like to go visit. And man, it was so beautiful, I just had to get a quick video of it. I wish I could have talked to the owner, but I couldn't find the guy. Look at the paint on this thing. It's that copper metallic. Not a color I'm usually a fan of, but it just works on this. And of course, you know the dude is cool because he's got white letter tires on his truck. All cars should have white letter tires, my friends, and those rims just really round this thing out. Single cab short bed. This is a rare bird indeed to be in such beautiful shape. And of course, it is a C10, so it's got the round headlights. This is before the era of square bodies. And I tell you, everyone now is into square bodies, but I'll take one of these any day over that. It is just so pretty, so well laid out, so artistically laid out, I would say, compared to new cars. This thing has class and style. It's just well done. You can see he's got some bullet holes in there. He's put some little stickers on there that look like bullet holes. I thought that was kind of cool as well. And he's got a bed liner, spray-in bed liner in it that looked real nice as well on this thing. You could see this thing hadn't done a lot of hard work in its life. Anyway, when I see something cool like this, I love to share it with you. Till next time, my friends, take care.